This prismatic art technique begins on a finished PLEXIGEL enhancement in a stiletto shape. Turn the finger upside down and apply builder to the underside of the nail tip. Press plastic wrap into the uncured gel using a dotting tool to create dimension and a luminous effect. Cure for 1 minute using preset button 2B. Peel the plastic wrap and use nippers to remove any sharp or protruding pieces of gel. Apply a layer of bonder and do not cure. Add holographic flakes to the nail plate area. Cure for 10 seconds using preset button 1. Apply a layer of protector top coat to both the top of the nail as well as under the tip. Cure for 1 minute using preset button 3. Wear this as is, or you can take it one step further. To create the 3D ice glacier effect, apply shaper on a palette to create a thin square sheet of gel. Cure for 1 minute using preset button 2B. Burnish iridescent chrome to the surface of the top film. Apply protector top coat over the chrome. Cure for 1 minute using preset button 3. Clean with IPA and peel the sheet from the palette. Cut the sheet into small pieces to mimic shards of ice. Apply a small bead of shaper to the nail and place a crystal into the uncured gel. Cure for 10 seconds to lock the crystal into place. Use a detail brush to rim the perimeter of the crystal with gel. Add the shards of gel around the gem. Secure and seal the edges of the shards using shaper. Cure for 1 minute using preset button 2B. Remove the top film with a cosmetic sponge saturated in 99% IPA. And there you have it. Long live the Queen.